Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Johnsons.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Mrs. or Miss Johnson?
Soon to be Miss.
Sir, I was talking to her. Soon to be Miss?
Yes.
Mrs. Johnson?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I did. The child is now 18. I would like to be relieved of the child support payments.
Continue.
Because I've fulfilled my obligations in the amicable split that we had. So since the child is 18, I would like to be relieved of child support payments.
Okay. So,
This case is anything but simple. A father wants to stop paying child support now that his son is 18. But the mother reveals something big. Her son has special needs and still needs costly medical care. Then, income discrepancies come to light, and the judge quickly makes it clear she won't tolerate any games in her courtroom. IT all comes down to one question. Is child support just about meeting the legal minimum, or does real parenting go further?
I don't know what kind of Afrocentrickery she's trying to run up in here, but it costs money to raise a child. I understand he's 18, but he's handicapped. He's special.
okay. So now we're getting to the meat of it, because that's not what she just presented to me.
Well,
She
she's
just
acting
presented
special
it.
right now because she don't want to.
Well, sir, let's not do name calling. That's not nice.
I didn't call her no names, ma'am. I'm just saying she's acting special. All I know is this: it costs money to take care of this child. I don't have it.
When you say he's special, what type of disability does
There's
he
a
have?
mental disability, ma'am.
Okay. What type of medical bills does he have?
Currently, my bills are running about $1,800 a month. I have a garage. Obviously, by my dress and appearance today, I'm a simple man. But I make a clean living and do what I have to do. But I can only fix so many cars a day and have to put on helmets and change stuff. I don't have the time.
Okay, what type of medical expenses does the child have on a monthly basis?
He has rehabilitation.
Okay.
He also has some vocational training skills to help him. We're trying to get him out there on his own a little bit.
Okay.
And he also has a speech therapist that comes in once a week also to help him out.
Okay. And other than that, is he does he have any other disabilities or anything?
Not really, other than, her not being around ever.
Okay.
That's the only disability that's really got it messed up.
How much is rehab a month?
Rehab a month is $400, ma'am.
$400. Okay. Does he go to a special type of school?
No, actually, the state sends someone to him at the residence because it's actually become more of a hindrance to get him somewhere than it is to actually take care of him at the home.
Okay. And you want to be removed from child support, and you hear...
And just like that, the mother reveals a game changer. This isn't simply about an 18-year-old becoming an adult. Her son has special needs, which completely changes the picture. Legally, child support doesn't always end at 18, especially when a disability means ongoing care is required. But the father is treating it like a typical case, and the judge is ready to set the record straight. SO, what's your take? Should support end automatically at 18, or should situations like this be treated differently? Share your thoughts below.
The care that it takes to take care of your adult child who's disabled, has special needs.
Your Honor,
make this good.
I'm going to make this good due to the fact that I have been around. I do contribute. I am there. My job takes me all over the world. Not only I'm an educator, but I also have another son as well too, who is 16. I'm in both of their lives. So therefore, I need a little reprieve because there are certain things that I need to do with cash, certain investments I want to make.
When I speak, you stop talking, okay?
Sure.
You're doing a whole lot of talking and you're not saying anything, okay? Your child has needs that this man pays for. Rehab alone is $400 a month. Is this an expense that a doctor has told you that's going to be ongoing in the future?
Me, ma'am?
Yes, you, sir.
Oh, sure. Yes, ma'am. It's still going to go on. I mean, as far as, she's just worried about her needs.
What about the
people in hell need ice water?
What about the caretaker coming out to the home? Is that going to be something that's ongoing as well?
No, ma'am. That's going to end here actually in about 2 years here. It's
2 years.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
years?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
you are asking me to stop paying child support today? You know what, ma'am? According to the paperwork that you provided, your child support is based on your annual income of $30,000 a year, right?
That is correct.
How much are you making now?
Probably a little more over 10,000
Okay.
over that.
You know what? Let me ask him, because I don't think some of the information you're giving me is very truthful. Sir, how much money does she make a year that you know of?
When we first did the situation, she was making $30,000 a year. Now,
Okay.
by the way we dressed today, obviously one of us didn't come up. So I think somebody might need to talk to somebody or count some beans or something, because I know somebody making a little money ain't me. I had this garage by myself for 35 years.
But the child lives with you, correct?
Right. And I
Ma'am?
keep my other garage.
Ma'am, how much money do you make a year, truthfully?
Truthfully, about 42,000.
You make
But
40.
see, he negates the six.
No,
Okay.
no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
You can almost feel the tension change in the room. The father lays out the full list of expenses: rehab, vocational training, speech therapy. It's a long and costly list every month. And the mother? She wants to walk away from it all. But here's the real question. Does one parent's financial struggle justify cutting off support for a child who obviously needs it? Remember, child support isn't about punishing or rewarding either parent. It's about making sure the child's needs are met. Is his dad being treated unfairly? Or is the mother trying to avoid her share of responsibility?
You made more money, and you tried to, first of all, I feel offended that you came into my courtroom and tried to downplay what the situation was, what it was in the first place. You made it appear as though this child turned 18 and your child support should naturally terminate. That's not what's going on. Your child has special needs that this man has been paying for, and you have gotten a $12,000 raise, in a sense, of salary.
Period of time.
And he, excuse me?
See, that's the reason I got
Even
rid
over a
her
period
first.
of time. Today you make more money. You make more money, and you just heard this man testify that a medical doctor told him that it's going to stop, the care coming to his home is going to end in 2 years.
2 years.
2 years, right? That is a long time.
Allow me a 2-year reprieve so I can do some things that I need to do.
Ma'am,
I don't have a problem continuing on.
The mother's story just fell apart. She said she was making $30,000 a year. But under questioning, it turned out she's really bringing in about $42,000. The judge? Not impressed. This is exactly why judges don't rely on someone's word in money disputes. They dig, and when the math doesn't match, it's a bad look for whoever's bending the truth. Should the judge come down harder on her for this? Or is she just playing the system like many people would?
Child.
The only reprieve you're going to receive here today is to start your child support obligation on a monthly basis to this man, okay? That's where we're going to do.
Is it continued because I've been doing?
Oh yeah, it's going to go up.
Excuse
It's
me.
definitely going to go up. Yes, sir.
Apparently, denial isn't just in Africa; it's here today.
Look, listen, sir. Listen. Your little innuendos, those are cute, but let's leave them somewhere else. They're not going to take place in here. Okay? They're not going to take place here. And ma'am, your outburst, please. I'm not impressed.
I'm not impressed either.
No, you shouldn't be. You should not be impressed. You came into this courtroom and tried to misrepresent, and you just simply don't want to take care of your child. That is ridiculous. Ma'am, so you said you make $42,000 a year. According to my calculation, that's about $3,500 for gross a month. That puts your net resources at $2,948.13. Who carries the health insurance on the child?
That would be me, ma'am.
Both.
Well, the adult child, excuse me. You carry health insurance, and what were you getting ready to say, ma'am?
Both of us.
So the child is equally covered. Okay, great.
Yes, that is correct.
And I heard you say that you had a 16-year-old.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to base your child support You get credit for the child that you already have. So your child support is going to be set at $471.08 per month.
Boom! The judge just turned the whole case around. Not only is child support staying in place, it's actually going up. Talk about a backfire. The message is clear. You can't walk away from your financial responsibilities, especially when your child still needs ongoing care. The mother came in expecting to be let off the hook, but left owing even more. Some will call this justice. Others might wonder why the father didn't push for an increase sooner, considering all the expenses. Where do you stand?
$471.70 per month. Understood?
That's clear.
Okay. Is there anything further?
Well, I was hoping, ma'am, if I could get a little boost in that, because the youngest son, he currently is being tested as well with some problems that he may be having.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
this is not the platform for you to be asking for an increase, and you just heard what this woman makes, and you heard me do the calculation based on what it is that she makes.
Well, I just asked, ma'am.
No, sir. That's not how these things are done.
I mean,
You cannot get an increase from what she's making. What she makes is what she makes. Child support is based on a calculation. It's that simple. Now, if you want to do something later and file something in court once it's been diagnosed what your other child may have, then you can do that. But until then, is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You all may be dismissed.
And you want a clown.
These we ain't together now.
And there it is. What began as a simple request to end child support turned into a full-on courtroom showdown. The judge cut through the half-truths, called out the financial inconsistencies, and kept the focus exactly where it belongs, on the child's needs. The outcome? Not only does child support continue, but the mother will now be paying more than before. This case leaves us with a big question. Should child support laws be more flexible in special needs situations, or should the rules stay firm no matter what? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, stick around. We've got plenty more real-life legal battles coming your way.